Hi everyone. The question is, let R be set of real numbers and F be defined from all real numbers to all real numbers. That means domain and codomain both being set of all real numbers. Be defined by f of x is equal to fractional part of x divided by 1 plus gint of x square. Where gint of x essentially is greater than integer less than equal to x, and fractional part of x is x minus gint of x. So which of the following statements are true? So here we have to talk in terms of f being 1 1 or not, f being continuous or not on all real values of x, and range of f being closed interval or not. So here f is definitely not 1 1. Why? Because for every integral or for every integer value of x, f of x is 0. So it is not 1 1. What about continuous? The chances of discontinuity is when x is an integer. So let me take one such integer and see if f is continuous or not. If it turns out to be continuous, then we may have to explore further to check whether f is indeed continuous on all integers or not. And if it does not turn out to be continuous in the first case itself, then it is not continuous for all real values of r. So here let me consider x to be 1. So what about f of 1? F of 1 is 0. Yeah, because fractional part of 1 is 0. And what about right hand limit? So I'm writing it as f of 1 plus, right hand limit. So 1 plus, for that fractional part will be tending to 0, and denominator would be equal to 2. You may say tending to 2, but you may well say equal to 2. Why? Because gint of x would be equal to 1 and square of it will be equal to 1. Yeah. So to speak. So it is 0. So it seems to be going for continuity case, but let's first also see the left hand limit. So when x is approaching 1 from left hand side, fractional part is approaching 1, of course little less than 1 you may say, and below gint of x is equal to 0. So 1 plus 0 square is 1 only. So that means you can say the limiting value is 1. So fx is not even continuous at x equal to 1. So that means it is not continuous for all real values of x. So even second is not correct. What about the first one? Let's talk about the range of f. So here f of x is essentially fractional part of x divided by 1 plus gint of x square. So here fractional part of x can take values in this interval 0 close to 1 open, yeah, and 1 plus gint of x square would essentially be set of natural numbers. That means greater than equal to 1 for sure. Yeah. Why? Because it can be 1 plus 0 square, 1 plus 1 square, 1 plus 2 square. In fact, it will not be taking all natural numbers also. So you may say the range or the set of values that this will take will be a subset of natural numbers. Yeah. And that means this expression is definitely greater than equal to 1. Yeah. So that means you can say 0 close to 1 open and greater than equal to 1. So you can say what? You can say the denominator belongs to not exactly the whole set, but yeah, it will be a subset of 1 close to infinity open. Yeah, and numerator is can take value 0 close to 1 open. So definitely the range is a subset of you may say 0 close to at max it can go to 1 open. Why? Because for you to get 1, numerator should also given that denominator is greater than equal to 1, so for you to get and numerator is less than 1, so for you to get 1, numerator and denominator both should be 1. Yeah, but numerator never becomes 1. So that means this expression will definitely be strictly less than 1, and this entire may not be the range of fx. We need to explore it further, but a range of fx would definitely be a subset of it, or maybe equal set of it, so to speak. So can fx take value 0? Yes, absolutely yes. fx can take value 0. Yeah, we have just now seen f of 1 is 0. In fact, at any integer the functional value is 0. Can fx tend to 1? We have again just now seen, yeah, fx can tend to 1, but it does not take this value 1. It anyway does not take this value 1. So that means we have seen excuse me, that fx can tend to take towards the value of 1, but it will not achieve it. So that means you can say that the range is not a closed interval. It is not 0 close to 1 closed or something like that. Yeah, so that means even 1 is not correct. So that means D is the answer. That means none of 1, 2 and 3 are correct. So thanks for listening. D is the answer.